Welcome to our channel Practical Study Planet. Please subscribe our channel if you had not subscribed it and press bell icon for further updates. Let's study about ledgering from the journals. In last video we studied about the journals posting the journal entries in details. Right now we will make the ledgers from the journal entries. So the next cycle is to make the ledgers from the journals. If we deeply study about the journals previously we done, so we can see that the following accounts, 11 accounts are used to make the journal entries. So what is the ledgers? This is the process of summarizing the details of an account. The book having such record is called the ledger book. From the previous illustration we will make ledgers. So in the last illustration, total number of accounts are as follows. Cash head office account, this is asset. William Meat LLC bank account, this is also asset account. Carnation, that is also building. Capital, this capital account. Meat stock, this is asset. Chicks trading company, this is the liability we bought from them on credit also, that's why the credit liabilities account. Sales cash, this is the revenue account. Sales credit, that is the revenue account. Simon Butcher LLC, that is our customer, this is our asset. The salary expense account, this is the expense account. So let's see, we will see all the ledgers account one by one. First of the all, cash head office. So the all cash related transaction will be summarized in one tabular form, that is called the ledger cash ledger account. On the 1st Jan, the capital is generated by the cash, that is 1000 is debit side. So the 2nd Jan, the cash is used for the meat purchase, so the cash purchases, so it will be the credited, the cash credited. So that time balance reduced from 1000 to 600. There is a one running balance also. You can see the format of the ledger, there's the date and the accounts. This account means the opposite account of the ledger account. Which ledger we are preparing, that is the opposite ledger accounts. Remarks is written over there because you can write in detail also, but it's just for reference and small data we are keeping the small writing here. The debit, credit and running balance. So on the 4th cash sales we receive the amount 200, so the cash increased the balance from 600 to it becomes 800. So similarly on the 5th, Simon Butcher also cash given to us, so 100 more cash increase, so the balance will increase to 900. So at the 31st we paid salary 50, so it will be reduced by 50 like that. Next, William Meat LLC bank account. So here the bank account, when started the business there was 3000 balance, which is against the capital. So after that one transaction paid to the Chicks trading from the bank, online transaction 100 decreased, so the bank balance reduced to 2900. The 3rd account of the car Nissan, there is no change in the car, so the capital account is the opposite account of the car, so it will be prepared like that. If any depreciation will be there, so accordingly we will put first the transaction journal, make journal entries for the depreciation, then we will transfer from journal to here. Same way the building treatment also, there is only the capital, so no treatment of depreciation is there, so the balance will remain the same, 8000. Now the capital account will be like that, from which accounts the capital account is generated. So the cash will be the 1000, the William Meat LLC bank account 3000 balance that time, car Nissan 2000, building 8000, so the total 14000 capital was. It is a summary of all journal entries. You can see here the all balances are in credit side, because the capital increasing always debit. The rule applicable all formats will be the same, in journal will be the same, ledger also will be the same. Meat stock assets account, so it was purchased on cash 400 and on credit 100, so it will be the two effect in the ledger, 400 cash by cash purchases and 100 by credit, so the Chicks trading company will be the liability, so that's why the opposite account will be there. So the total value of the stock 500. Chicks Trading Company LLC. This first we meet on credit 100 credit purchase. So after that we paid by bank, so the balance is 0 because the liability at start when we not paid, that time liability generated. After that when we paid to the William account, our bank accounts, and then the balance is 0. So no receivable, no payable to now Chicks Trading Company LLC. This account already closed now. Sales cash, similarly only the cash sales while we sold and we received the cash 200, so the cash sale will be only 200. Same with the credit sale we sold to the Simon Butcher but not received the payment that time, so that's why written as credit sale like that. Simon Butcher is our customer before we sold on credit, so it will be debit as a debtor. Assets increase, so when we receive the payment it will be credited, so it is credited, so the net balance is receivable payable is 0. Nothing is to receive, nothing to pay to the Simon Butcher LLC. So the last account will be the salary account. We paid to the staff 50, we paid to the salary expense, so only debited this one. So it is also important to understand the trial balance, because all ledger final balance, you can see the final balance is which is at the end. Capital from cash we will start 850, and the meat bank account 2900, so the car Nissan 2000, and building 8000. So like that all final balances, capital 14,000, all net balances will be transferred into the trial balance. This is the process in which we try to equalize the net balances of all ledgers in a tabular form having two columns, one debit and other credit. From all previous prepared ledgers we will prepare the trial balance. Not only the accounts with the net balance will move to the trial balance, the accounts with zero balance will not be carried to the trial balance. Let's move next. See here, so the cash final balance is 850, that is transferred to the debit side. Debit balance was there, if credit balance will be there, so it will be to transfer to the credit side. William Mead bank account also debit balance but decreased, before 3000 now 2900, so it's also a change is there. Car Nissan the same, building same, capital 14,000, meat stock 500, sales cash for 200, sales credit 100, salary expense 50. So the debit of the total column is 14,300, and the credit also 14,300. The debit and credit all will be the same in the trial balance. If any mistake in the ledgering and posting and anything, so the trial balance also indicates the error in the previous record keeping. So it's very important to prepare the trial balance. So from the trial balance, after that we move to the final accounts. So we will study about our next coming lectures about it. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comments and be connected with us for such informative videos.